Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy meal of C. To start, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, balsamic vinegar, honey, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, asparagus, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. First, marinate the chicken in a mixture of balsamic vinegar, honey, minced garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Once the grill is hot, place the chicken on the grill and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. While the chicken is cooking, prepare your vegetables. Toss asparagus, cherry tomatoes, and red onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables out on a baking sheet and roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. Once the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are roasted, drizzle the chicken with the remaining balsamic glaze and serve alongside the roasted vegetables. This balsamic glazed grilled chicken with roasted spring vegetables is a perfect meal for a healthy and flavorful dinner. Enjoy.